What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video Packy Kicks. This is Steve here, and today for you guys I have a brand new video. And for today's video I'm going to go over my recent clothing pickups where I unbox some clothes instead of some shoes this time, something different for you guys. But before I get into that unboxing, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys hit that subscribe button for me. It helps support me as a content creator and keep my content and YouTube channel just growing. But with all that being said though, let's get right into the video. So for my recent clothing pickups, what's in this box comes from the brand known as FTP. If you guys are not aware what FTP is, it is a very popular streetwear brand that started about a decade ago now by Zach Clark in high school. And he was, original founder of FTP, or the creator of FTP. And that brand has become popular from when it started all the way up till now. And it's come, again, like I said, one of the most popular streetwear brands today. A lot of celebrities are wearing FTP. A lot of celebrities, have taken like photo shoots and stuff of FTP apparel with them. So it has become very, very popular. And I have slowly liked FTP for about a few years now because I just think the design's cool, and I just think it's a little bit more edgy, a little bit more different than compared to like, let's say for example Supreme. So it's just a little bit different there, and I just like the clothing. And from the pickups from this FTP drop was from a few weeks ago. They had a massive drop, and it was one of the first ones where the website was really bad, and it took me like half hour to check out all my stuff here. But enough of me talking about it, I finally was able to get this stuff. And with that being said though, I have my scissors with me right here, and we're going to open the box and see what I did pick up. And we have a few pickups from FTP again, like I said before, but we're gonna get through the first pickup right here, and it's gonna be in this bag right here. It comes in a very nice FTP plastic bag, and the first item I have here is the All Over FTP Logo T in the red colorway. And one of the reasons that I wanted this t-shirt right here was because I just like the FTP all over print itself, and I didn't have that many like different t-shirts in red, so I thought, you know what, why not just get this in red and just wear it and stuff. And the other colors that they had for this was the basic black with the white FTP logo all over, and they had an olive green with the black all over print. But I just like the red one a lot more. Like I said before, I have a lot of black t-shirts, so I felt like I had no need for buying more black t-shirts. I didn't have that many in red, so I thought, why not wear this in red? And since I'm a big Jordan guy, I could wear a lot of my different Air Jordans with this t-shirt on right here. So nothing too crazy. Again, on the back too, you have the All Over FTP logo, and nothing too crazy here, just a nice fine red tee. And that's one of the first items I got. Getting into the second item, we have another t-shirt right here, and this was actually the t-shirt or the item I wanted the most compared to anything right here. And this is going to be, since it was FTP's 10-year anniversary, this is going to be the FTP All Logo T, which comprised of the different logos and stuff that has existed throughout FTP and the designs that they used throughout the years. So I'm going to open the packaging up for this one. And opening this up, oh my god, this is a fantastic t-shirt right here. As you guys can see, we have the FTP logo Logo T, and this is a very nice t-shirt. I really love all the different logos that they used on this, and it's just a very unique t-shirt. Like I said before, it comprises of all the different FTP logos. As you guys can see, you have the original OG logo that they use. You got the FTP bear. It looks like you got like the FUBU print logo, and you got like the basic logo on the very bottom. So very popular. I love all the graphics on here. Obviously, like I said before, FTP has been here for a decade now, and they've put all the different logos on this t-shirt, and it's just something that pops out very nicely in my opinion. You have some different types of obviously designs and stuff all over this, so I think it just stands out a lot. And then on the back of the t-shirt where the collar is at, it does say right here FTP 2010 to forever. So I just think this is very fire, and I just really like this a lot. And one of the good things about this t-shirt is that it also came with its very own poster, which I'm excited about because, like I said before, it comprised of all the different tees and stuff, and mine did get a little bent in the packaging, but that is okay though. Still nothing too crazy. It's not too damaged, but it's just something nice that I could put up in my room and stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that, and I definitely cannot wait to put this up right back behind my wall right here. So I really like this a lot. Another nice touch from FTP itself to include this with the t-shirt, which is another reason why I wanted the item. And that's the All Over FTP Logo T. And then getting to the last item I picked up, I was able to get, it was a generic item, but it's something I wanted. It was the FTP Death Series Baseball. It is a very like just out of the norm item. When I was scrolling through the website, I just really wanted to get something quickly, maybe an accessory here and there, and the Death Series Baseball was one of the ones I just kind of liked, so I said, you know what, let me just buy it. And in my opinion, it is a nice baseball. I'm going to open up for you guys and see. Getting this baseball out of the packaging. Holy shit, there we go. As you guys can see, we have, just like I said, a regular baseball. You have the Death Series logo right here, if you guys can see. And on the other side of the baseball, it says FTP right here. And nothing too crazy, just a black base, so you have the white stitching all around it. So this is mainly a decorative piece. That's something I'm just going to put on my dressing table and just, you know, have it just sitting there, because obviously I'm not going to go play fucking baseball in this ball. They did have a baseball bat too that released with the baseball, and unfortunately I did not pick up the baseball, or the baseball bat I mean. I just want to get this because it was cheaper, and I just didn't feel like spending so much money on this drop. There was a lot of stuff that they had, like I think they had a varsity jacket, they had a ton more t-shirts, and they had the backpack as well. But I passed on all those, like I said before, I was not trying to run up a check on that drop, so I only picked up a few items here and there. But that's basically what I have for you guys for today's unboxing. Again, nothing too crazy, it was just a few of my FTP pickups. But I want to let you guys know what you do think of my recent pickups. Like you said, I had the All FTP Logo T, and then I had the All Over FTP Logo T in the red. So I just want you guys to let me know what you think of my recent pickups from FTP. Do you guys like these t-shirt designs? Do you guys buy from FTP? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, again, make sure to like this video, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate the support from you guys, and you guys did that for me. And then lastly, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian, the Instagram on the bottom left corner of this video. And again, I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Peace.
Hundreds feel like ones, millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night.